So what according to you is the best way to deal with China? Totally economic sanction on China from India side, basically no trade, or by strengthening our military onto the borders, right? Or it is with the international pressure like various organizations, UN and other platforms where China and India are the common partner. Put a pressure on in that. Understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
And the lead?
The gentlemen, as we know, China is a communist country. It follows expenses.
Third point.
Because the China is a permanent member in the United Nations, and we can see the power of the China. Whenever India tries to put sanction on the terrorist, China always opposes it. So we cannot counter the China with the help of UN right now.
Gentlemen, I'd like to make a
With
point that
UN, I was
first
saying
of all
that
we
we
have
can
to.
strong our ties with the US and Russia also. By this we can counter and surround we have a good
Gentlemen,
relation
first of
with
all,
Japan
I would
also.
like to make a point very clear that India cannot tackle China, whether totally by military, not totally by economically, because China is a very big world power. They have a great military power, and even they are having a great influence on the
No,
world.
China is suffering huge economic loss because of COVID-19 outbreak again,
it's
and
their
also
fault.
the
You
real
can't
estate business
disagree
has
the fact
got
that China
failed.
doesn't have the power.
China started everything from all the COVID
loss.
losses.
And the main point that can counter China is
Open up now.
extending the military power, because this is the only thing that we can help to counter China.
Okay,
As
partially
we can see,
disagree
there is
with
a
that.
100 billion.
You know, if I-
It's not a war of no. It's not a war of economy or the military. I think it's a war of ideology. We are democracy, and China is a communist. Following communist
We can
ideology.
also tackle this problem by
Gentlemen, I would like to say we should not take the extremist way that is like the ideology and all that. We have to
tackle China. How can we tackle? As we know,
Let me explain some points here. India and China both are large developing country in the Asia. Both are trading with each other on a large amount. India trade telecom and plastic materials from. There are so many things I cannot say what are. On the other hand, China has the greatest military of above two second number. Yeah.
Military in terms of dollars or that doesn't matter. Our soldiers are bravest and they can fight. We have seen their soldiers. They cannot operate in high altitude.
We cannot blindly just
put China-
our soldiers on the. I'd like to
China
say war is not a
Soldiers
solution.
should not
War
fight.
is not a
There's
solution. China is a very big trading partner of India.
No matter
India imports billions worth of billions of products from China. So I'd like to say it's mostly that we can tackle China by economic sanctions on a very little scale, but on an international influence. Because if we talk about head-on-head in a military incident, so
will be a huge
India can't take China directly, because there will be a loss of life on the both side and loss of money even also.
we can tackle China directly by covering China. As we know, China is very powerful in navy, so we have to cover from the Malacca region. If we cover China from the Malacca region, then he will stop to invade in the Indian Ocean, and we can also destroy the CPEC road by which he can interrupt by the help of Pakistan in the Indian Ocean. So by the navy we can block them, and by the use of armies.
Gentlemen, I would like to say the point that we are not here to make war strategies. We are not here to make
Gentlemen, I agree with you. We can also tackle this problem by making our
There are the international pressure by which we cannot affect the CPEC project because of the international pressure out there.
CPEC project has completed now.
According to me, I'd like to say that
90% of China trade
if India-
passes with
Now
Indian
trading-
Ocean, and we have good control over Indian Ocean. The government of India is making infrastructure at Andaman Nicobar Island.
We can enhance
By
our
that
trade with
we will
other countries.
we will
We can
surveillance.
enhance our trade with other countries.
That project has also completed of the Andaman and Nicobar.
We will
Gentlemen,
surveillance the trade of
and try
China.
to
By that China
impose
will
some,
come under. We will.
Gentlemen, I'd like to say if India wants to get an advantage on China, the basic thing we can do is we can grow economically more. If we become a production country greater than China, so that will be best, because we will have a great international influence, and we will have a great funds to invest in our army.
China is also advanced in technologies than us, and it has also the biggest army in the
But
world.
if we
and our Indian army comes
but
at
if
number
we
4.
advance our technology, then it will take 30 to 40 years to become with China.
Army is not
pressure on
everything.
China.
Our idea.
I'd like to state that army is not everything. International influence plays a very great role in the
Yes, apart from the performance figure, as we can see, the international relation between other countries of India are most important. As we
current
can see
point,
the AUKUS,
India's biggest
the
market
India
is
and
China.
the Australia
If we
and
grow
United
economically,
States
then
project
we can make
that helps
China
to
our
counter
great
the
market,
China.
and we can,
I can see that the international
influence
relations
the-
are more important.
I am agreeing with your point, but
Somewhere we
economy
can
is
also
not
say
only
that the China's army is
sufficient.
growing
Take
older
the example
day
of
by day
Japan.
because China is the most oldest population in the world. So they are implementing the new policies.
Then we
in
have
their
to
country.
break them economically. Then he will stop.
yes,
we have to only.
Gentlemen, but the India does
the companies from China to India. The recent incidents, the recent incidents I would like to address the Foxconn. The Foxconn project, which is setting to be in India, will be the production of great ships. So like that, we can invite other companies to India, and if we are having a great production rate, even if we come to a point where our production rate is greater than China, we would have a good economy. We would have a good international influence because this time.
I have to clear some
Taking
points
example of Japan, Japan is strong economically, but it has no military power. So it is taking help of India and also the Middle East also. So economy is not only the
Japan has a large influence in the UNO.
no matter how much strength he has in international relations.
So it's
international-
not,
but
gentlemen,
he
I would
has no
very like to.
military
It's not like the China is gonna nuke Japan in a day. It's not like that, okay? No country can take direct action.
As gentlemen, you were